Here's the punctuated text. It has become evident that the essential article that visited our area in the planetary machine from outside the planetary framework moved unreasonably rapidly to at any point be sure to the sun unquestionably. The primary thing that we have seen coming to us from interstellar space from brilliant spots. People have been investigating space at some stage all through current quite a while, traditionally with ones that visit the furthest finishes of the sun-powered contraption and pass to find things that we can't with an elegant telescope. The in general thought is that these things exist. They're there in region and we ought to find them. However, with the revelation of Oumuamua, the entirety of that changed. The extraordinary Voyager from profound region has been tried masses during the most recent couple of weeks. This object is basically a touch of some other nearby planetary framework that was ejected, but the James Webb Telescope settled the main genuine photo of the distance giant and has noticed matters that nobody saw coming. Go along with us as we dig further into this image and how the revelation of UUA has impacted the area of science in region. UA is an odd and fascinating object, absolute certainty. It climbed out of the profundities of space furthermore, caused the entire worldwide to forestall out of the blue. While the article was showed everyone needed to find out around it because of the reality nothing like this had at any point been found. This extensive stoga-shaped guest resented in our close by planetary contraption from a remote spot beyond our own. It is essentially a strange interstellar pioneer wandering through the vastness of region to pay us a short go-to. Its specific look, which appears like a slight stogie or as I truly prefer to call it, an endless needle, makes it as opposed to anything that we have experienced before. Then, at that point, this colossal disclosure became made on October 19, 2017, while the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii explored the evening sky and found the presence of AMWA. It became an extraordinary event as this denoted the first time stargazers recognized an object originating from out of doors our planetary framework. Considerably more insane turned into the way that it for all intents and purposes made it to the extent of our planetary framework and become headed immediately in the direction of Earth. Oumuamua's appearance transformed into quite possibly the best matter that had at any point occurred, and it was fundamental to dig further into it as it appeared very much like the way to opening the insider facts of our sizable climate. That is the reason a genuine image of it is a huge bargain. However, an image isn't consistently where they are going to stop. Researchers have made arrangements to make use of the noticeable James Webb Space Telescope for examining interstellar things as they sidestep through our closed by planetary gadget. Being the essential of its sort, the telescope's magnificent qualities lie in its capacity to develop and examine infrared light, making it a crucial instrument for this unique investigate. Ready with cutting-edge unnecessary goal and unreasonable responsiveness contraptions, the Webb telescope has a remarkable potential to look objects which are excessively old, far off, or swoon for different telescopes to stagger on. This great sends responsiveness furthermore, power making exact opportunities for researchers to jump profoundly into the mysteries of interstellar contraptions, revealing their synthetic piece and uncovering their substantial substance. All of that is immensely hard to examine from Earth. On the off chance that you simply investigate the things without basically getting a completely clean perspective on them, the James Webb Space Telescope's high-level array of infrared cameras gives an extra layer of accuracy to the picture of interstellar objects. With its predominant innovation, the telescope can produce muddled data and subtleties portraying these enrapturing heavenly voyagers as they undertake inside our observational accomplish. So regardless of whether you are not getting genuine pics which are in one piece, it can gather stacks, while perhaps not heaps, of photos together to make one uber picture that has each and every detail you'll at any point hope to see. Since it's miles fit for catching the littlest and most delicate elements of these interstellar items, the Webb telescope permits researchers to conduct significant studies and resolve the secrets that lie concealed within the profundities of the universe. However, this is only the beginning. The Webb telescope for sure pushes the limits of examination via permitting researchers to find the profundities of space at scales and brilliant stages that were previously unrealistic, starting up a domain of, in fact, invigorating clinical inquiries and growing the restrictions of our ability and data of the universe. Thusly, they picked the James Webb Telescope over the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope for this in addition expansion examination. That doesn't suggest that the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope isn't generally heavenly at what it does. Indeed, both are awesome. The School of Hawaii's Pan-STARRS 1 telescope remains as an essential cosmic gadget situated on the highest point of Halaka at the beautiful island of Maui, Hawaii. With its 1.8-met opening, this telescope plays out a basic situation inside the impressive container star's undertaking, a cooperative exertion connected with regarded foundations comprising of the College of Hawaii Foundation for Stargazing and its Lincoln Lab Maui, in addition, generally Execution Figuring Center and Innovation Frameworks Worldwide. At its center, the PANARS-1 telescope is entrusted with looking over the sky for transient heavenly articles like space rocks and comets and planning the planetary contraption in marvelous component. Its wide-field imaging capacities and cutting-edge age make it a significant resource in the journey to investigate and comprehend the universe. The telescope is intended for wide-field galactic imaging, giving a comprehensive perspective on region. Its essential task is to conduct thorough studies of the evening sky, taking pictures the excellence of divine articles in optical frequencies from far-off systems and pivoting nebulae to captivating comets and space rocks. The telescope vigorously scans the universe, recording the wonders that populate our great-sized universe. To deal with the regular amount of records occurred during those reviews, the PANARS-1 telescope is based at the modern PS-11 picture handling pipeline. This exceptional programming precisely strategies and dissects huge segments of observational records, removing cherished experiences and permitting space experts to make earth-shattering revelations. The strength of cutting-edge calculations and computational procedures meets up to play a critical job in revealing the covered-up secrets inside the boundless divine photos caught through the PANSTARRS-1. One of the greatest inconceivable capacities of the PANARS-1 telescope is its commitment to the Pan-STARRS Close Earth Object Review. This intense undertaking makes a specialty of methodically concentrating on the whole sky, continuously looking out near Earth things that could present a capacity opportunity to our planet. It was the one to find out Oumuamua at first. Scientists were absolutely sure in all probability, accidentally, that and gravitating towards space rock was going towards Earth. When UAM was first identified circling the Sun-oriented, the primer supposition transformed into that it become an inescapable space rock, with no guarantees, frequently the case with different unidentified space protests. Its look and direct appeared to be reliable with that organization, driving cosmologists to arrange it as such. After all, it viewed as an phenomenal stone plunging through the planetary contraption, a run-of-the-mill sight in astronomical perceptions. However, as researchers headed out to process and inspect the records gathered from Oumuamua, it rapidly has become spotless that this interstellar voyager became something but normal. Its specific attributes defied simple order, provoking analysts to reevaluate their primer suppositions. Rather than customary space rocks, UAM displayed one-of-a-kind capabilities that put it away from any heavenly article previously found. Potentially the most striking component of Oumuamua transformed into its lengthened structure, beholding back to a meager stogie or an extensive needle as gone against to the adjusted shape regularly connected with space rocks. The strange morphology challenged present models of divine article structure and advancement, bringing up issues about the cycles responsible for molding Oumuamua's structure. Notwithstanding its prolonged structure, Oumuamua furthermore showed quick revolution, turning on its hub at a rate oddly quick for a mean space rock. This expedient turn correspondingly extraordinary UUA from known heavenly our bodies and acquainted with the thrill ride encompassing its starting point. Also, Oumuamua affirmed strange splendor varieties since it gone through space, suggesting possible irregularities in its composition or surface characteristics. The ongoing examination of Oumuamua has spurred intense scientific debate and speculation, with researchers proposing various theories to explain its enigmatic features. Some hypothesize that it could be a fragment ejected from a larger body in a distant star system, while others suggest tidal forces as the mechanism behind its elongated shape. However, despite these proposed explanations, uncertainties regarding Oumuamua's true nature persist, underscoring the need for further investigation and understanding. Oumuamua's brief passage through our solar system provided a rare opportunity for astronomers to study an interstellar visitor up close, offering valuable insights into the nature of objects originating from beyond our own solar system. Since its discovery, scientists have diligently analyzed the data gathered during its visit, seeking clues about its origin, composition, and behavior. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its advanced capabilities, is poised to play a crucial role in unraveling the mysteries surrounding Oumuamua and other interstellar objects. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, The telescope promises to enhance our ability to observe and study distant celestial bodies, opening new frontiers in the exploration of the universe. As our understanding of Oumuamua deepens, so too does our appreciation for the complexity and diversity of the cosmos. Each new discovery brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of our vast origins and the rich tapestry of celestial phenomena that populate the universe. In conclusion, Oumuamua's fleeting visit has sparked a renewed interest in the study of interstellar objects, underscoring the importance of continued exploration and discovery in expanding our knowledge of the universe. With the James Webb Space Telescope on the horizon, the future holds exciting possibilities for unraveling the mysteries of these enigmatic cosmic travelers and shedding light on the fundamental processes shaping our cosmic neighborhood and beyond. Heterogeneity in its floor organization, or, on the other hand, reflectivity. These adjustments in splendor outfitted stargazers with significant experiences into Oumuamua's organization and actual resonances, bestowing captivating hints about its interstellar starting points. As researchers dive more profound into the examination of Oumuamua's measurements, they uncovered extra abnormalities that opposed ordinary explanations. Its direction through our solar system digressed from the ordinary ways of comets and space rocks, suggesting a mind-boggling collaboration of gravitational powers and various elements at play. The discovery of Oumuamua ignited exorbitant clinical discourse and theory, with experts presenting different hypotheses to make sense of its befuddling capabilities. Some surmise that UUA is presumably a part shot out from a bigger body in a far-off star device, while others suggest tidal forces as the instrument behind its extended shape. Regardless of those proposed factors, vulnerabilities as to Oumuamua's real essence proceeded, highlighting the need for additional examination and knowledge. The brief entry through our sunlight-based gadget provided an uncommon and enrapturing opportunity for stargazers to analyze an interstellar guest very close, giving cherished experiences into the nature of things beginning from past our own personal sunlight-based machine. In the years considering Oumuamua's revelation, analysts have persevered to investigate the records accrued throughout its go-to, searching for signs that could uncover realities around its start and characteristics. The continuous view of Oumuamua fills in as a testament to the enduring interest of the clinical network and the top-notch capacity for disclosure that looks for us inside the universe. As we endeavor to determine the special secrets of UUA and other interstellar items, we gain a more profound comprehension of the mind-boggling approaches shaping our universe. Each new disclosure brings us toward opening the insider facts of our sizable starting points and the rich embroidered artwork of heavenly peculiarities that populate the universe. Following Oumuamua's location, stargazers have sped up endeavors to become mindful of and study interstellar objects, perceiving their significance for propelling our data of the universe. The coming arrival of the James Webb Space Telescope vows to change our ability to check out and analyze far-off heavenly bodies, laying out new wildernesses inside the investigation of the universe. The urgency of the situation was highlighted by Oumuamua's quick speed through our sun contraption. Time happened to the essence, and researchers defied a noteworthy mission. They had a critical 11 days to accumulate as much data as possible about this slippery vacationer before it turned out to be excessively far off to examine. Moreover, as time passes, the potential chance to acquire information dwindled, accentuating the need for quick and green concentrates on. The strain changed into mounting, realizing that any put-off could certainly imperil their insight into this lovely article. Once UUA left the planetary group, there may not be some other gamble to get the records once more. This turns into an exceptional open door to prepare each accessible researcher and gadget to gather measurements and have a see it seriously. However, procuring an abundance of information did not fundamentally convey lucidity and scatter the disarray encompassing this cryptic object. As the data arose, the secret encompassing Oumuamua least complex developed. The surprising credits and confounding way of behaving of this interstellar guest kept on astounding scientists, leaving them with more prominent inquiries than arrangements. UU's excursion through our sunlight-based gadget days was one of the greatest invigorating and befuddling exercises in later cosmic records. Found in October 2017 through the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii, this interstellar guest quickly captured the attention of researchers and the public alike. Its size and shape, combined with the shortfall of normal divine capacities, opposed conventional assumptions and brought about questions around its establishment, direction, and nature. The explicit qualities of UUA started extreme logical exploration, prompting the proposition of different speculations to give an explanation for its mysterious capabilities. One unmistakable hypothesis advised that UUA might be a portion catapulted from a larger edge in a megastar device. This theory suggested that impacts or gravitational communications inside its figure gadget should have propelled UUA into interstellar region, ultimately setting it on a direction that presented it within our planetary group's region. Each other convincing clarification suggested flowing powers as the forming system behind Oumuamua's prolonged construction. In step with this hypothesis, the gravitational powers applied through a passing hotshot or a major planet should have extended Oumuamua into its strange structure since it navigated region. This flowing extending circumstance given a possible structure to account for the object's setting look while bringing up additional issues about the exact methodologies shaping things inside the interstellar medium. In spite of these proposed factors, vulnerabilities regarding Oumuamua's real essence continued filling continuous discussions inside the clinical local area. The object's remarkable size and fast speed presented extra challenges for cosmologists attempting to unwind its secrets. UUA's prolonged structure and rapid revolution prompted a genuinely sporadic body, rather than any acknowledged comet or space rock inside our solar-based machine. As Oumuamua passed by our solar gadget, researchers quickly seized the probability to gather as much information as achievable before it moved past the assortment of perception. The criticalness of the situation highlighted the need for fast and productive investigations, driving cooperative endeavors among space experts, global observatories, and telescopes around the field.